making one evening snack, that is crispy cheesy paneer tikka dish and a dessert brownie with ice cream. I am so sure you will love it. So check out my recipe and try it. Okay, so let's get started.
So for ingredients, take mustard oil, chopped onions, some chopped tomatoes, sweet corn, chopped capsicum, roasted besan, ginger garlic paste, some paneer cubes, curd, grated processed cheese, kasuri methi, lemon juice, chili flakes and oregano, melted butter, cheese slice, brown bread. For mint mayonnaise, take mayonnaise and mint chutney that I have prepared at home. For my spices, I have taken Kashmiri lal mirch powder, coriander powder, garam masala, black salt, chaat masala and roasted cumin seeds. So for the marination, I have taken mustard oil, put some Kashmiri lal mirch in it and give a nice mix, because Kashmiri lal mirch gives its best color in the oil only. So I'll mix it well because my marination needs some pretty color. Now I'll put all the masalas in the first oil only, because masalas in the oil gives a very nice flavor. Put some coriander, see, and I've put garam masala and salt, and let's mix it. My mixture is ready of the spices. I think it will give a very smoky flavor to my marinated paneer tikkas. Put some lemon juice. Put some little bit of kasuri methi for the flavor. Put some roasted besan. Now add ginger garlic paste. Add curd. I have removed the water before only, because in marination I want to get thick curd. Now give a nice mix so that no lumps are remained, and see how pretty color it has. It's looking beautiful. Now I'll add all of my vegetables in it. Now I'll add capsicum. Here goes my sweet corn, then my tomatoes, and now onion. Mix and put paneer cubes also, so that we can keep it aside, our marinated mixture. So here goes paneer. And let's mix it, and this is ready for the marination. Keep it aside for 15 minutes. For the mint mayonnaise, take mayonnaise and put green chutney in it. Give a nice mixture, and see, my mint mayo is ready. For the round circle, I have taken a brown bread and cut the round circle out of it. See, this is my big circle. Now take a circle, and for the ring, take a glass or a small bowl and cut. Now here is my ring. Put this ring on the round circle that I have cut before, and see, put it like this. My other pieces are ready for the filling. I have prepared 5 of them. Now my marination mixture, I'll heat a pan and put some oil in it, and put all the mixture in the pan so that our masalas get fried and gives a good flavor. Stir it for 5 minutes and keep it till it leaves oil. See, it has start leaving oil. It has left oil, and it is looking very beautiful, and smell is coming so amazing. Take round circles and put some mint mayo on it. Put it well in the corners also. Now put some cheese slice on it, because cheesy things are so yummy. Put a ring on it, and now we will put our marinated paneer tikka mixture on it. I think this paneer tikka dish will be, it's a must try. You all should have to try this once. Now put some grated cheese, because cheesy things are best and of course yummy. Put cheese properly. Now apply some butter on the sides of the discs so that when we will keep it in our gas oven, it gives a crisp smoky flavor. Now put some chili flakes on oregano for that flavor. And see, my all of the paneer tikka discs are ready. They are looking so damn mouth-watering. And this is my gas oven. I've put salt in a kadai and a stand. Take a plate and cover it with a foil. Now put all the paneer tikka disc on it. I'll keep it 3 only because they are big. And I'll cover it with a plate, and gas flame should be low. Keep it for around 15 minutes. And you can see my crispy cheesy paneer tikka disc are ready. For the brownie with ice cream, I have taken some Oreo biscuit that I have crushed before only, milk, baking soda, vanilla ice cream. For the decoration, Oreo biscuit, Kit Kat and gems. So let's go. See, my brownie is ready. I've taken a decorated glass which I've decorated before only. This is my brownie. Put 2 scoops of vanilla ice cream on it, and this is ready. And my dish is ready. It is looking very damn yummy.
Share and comment your views. Thank you.
Served it with some dessert, and I've also prepared cheesy mayo French fries because our platter is incomplete without it, and of course some orange juice. And see, here it goes, very mouth watering and delicious. It's a must try recipe.